Hello everyone, it's Miss Douglas here. I'm going to share a story for your RE job and it's called The Baby Birds. Mohammed and his friends were glad to rest under the big wide leaves of the palm tree. They looked around at all the lovely plants that offered shade and food for the animals. Some of the animals seemed to enjoy the warmth of the sunshine, but others found it just too hot. Around them, Mohammed and his friends could hear the chirping and cheeping of happy birds. Some hopped along the ground, and others flew gracefully through the air. One of the men noticed some especially pretty birds and pointed them out to his friends. Then they noticed the baby birds, which had flown from their nest for the very first time. Here is one of those birds. "Look how tiny they are," said one of the men. "Let's catch them to take a closer look." As the baby birds practiced their flying, the man reached up. He stretched out his big hand and caught one of the tiny birds. And here is one of the tiny birds. At once the mother bird began to squawk and swoop down at the men. She dived and soared and dived again. Here's the big mummy bird. Do you think she was happy that they were taking her babies? I'm not sure. Let's find out. Mohammed realised what was happening. "Let the bird go," he called to his friend. "Can't you see how frightened it is and how worried its mother has become?" On hearing Mohammed, the man opened his hand and the baby bird flew back to its mother. As the birds flew away to the safety of their nest, the man realised how careless he had been and was sorry for what he had done. He hadn't meant to scare the birds, he had just wanted to have a closer look. As the men continued their walk, Mohammed reminded them that Allah had created everything in this wonderful world. Everyone can enjoy the plants and animals, but they should always be careful not to harm them. In the distance, the men could hear the birds singing happily once again. The baby birds were safe with their mother, just where they belonged. And here is everybody in the nest. Let me show you. Here's all the babies and the mummy bird back together. See you all soon.